Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel, The Wandering Trio. Join us for the week as we settle into our new Florida life. Are we, Allie?
We're at the beach.
We're at the beach.
At the beach.
Yeah. Join us as we spend the week at the beach, exploring our new RV park and all of the fun little creatures that live within the park. This little turtle and a few others live in the pond here. Because it's still fairly cool, let's get some baking done. I was so proud of my rolls. Look. Nice and fluffy. Not bad either. I'm gonna use it for sandwiches. They have a whole nother. There you go. Try again. Woo! Look at the truck. It's that time of year. Let's have an egg hunt. You can't see it? I can see it. Look at the wheels on the truck. Did you find it? Yeah, it's green. Let's have another day filled with fun. Let's head out to Top Golf. Turn it the other way. No, this is Callie's first time ever hitting a golf ball or golfing in any sense. This was fun.
Nice. There's a good one.
And let's do some laundry. We are going to use a portable washer today. I'm kind of just already in the habit from boondocking, but let's go.
Burning grass, passing time, need a lift, out of mind. Chasing dreams.
Great.
I catch that fish! Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did know one.
Little kitty, what are you doing? You like being outside? And with that, let's head in and have some dinner. We will see you in the morning for a beach day. Let's go. Today we are checking out the Fort Myers Beach. We had so much fun at the beach today with some friends. I barely took my phone out, but nothing beats these beautiful sands and gorgeous views. Today was filled with grocery shopping, so we picked up a few plants as well, just to make our outside more homey. This tiny pineapple is probably my favorite. I even painted a table for them all to live on. And we spent some time outside as well as getting to know our neighbors and the furry people, or furry friends, I should say, in the park, who used to be held captive here and now are just roaming free.
Hey Todd, I'll do the fireworks for the video. Okay. Todd is doing the fireworks for the camera too, but...
Cool.
And the boy on the roof is doing the lights. Hey, boy, what's your name? Oh, Jordan. Hey, Shannon. Do the lights for me, please. Oh, sorry. He's doing the lights for us.
And we finished the day with some ice cream. Roll on back next week to see what we get up to. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.